So these are 6 picture frames, 3 different colors. That's my black paint. Yes, I use my rain boots to hold them, and I am going to paint them black. 2 coats.
It's just our yard. It's honestly pretty cute. Hers is her boyfriend.
So these are the photos that I got printed out. Statue of Liberty, Freedom Tower in the background of that one, and all of those other ones. And this is Venice. This is Dubai. This is France. This is New York. This is England. And this is New York City. Here's the wall. Right where the mark is, that's where the bookshelf starts or stops, up here. And there's the frame that I paint. Yep, I got a boo-boo here, I got a boo-boo there, all of that. So this one was measured, and I put that one over there for testing to make sure the measurements are okay. 3 inches between, 4 inches right there, and they all leveled. And a piece of tape like this rolled, and behind it when I put the level on it, so they are all leveled. And that's what's up for that. And that's me here sitting down watching myself on the telly, bad angle. So yes, I'm finished, guys. I'm finished with that. The bookshelf should come in next week. Please support and follow me on YouTube at Chapo Empire. Please, please, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.